Students, I am Surendra Kumar Sharma, lecturer in English, Government Senior Secondary School, Kairu. Today I am going to discuss 4 basic uses of prepositions. Prepositions is a very important topic to be asked in all the exams from class 4 to 12th and all the competitive exams. Now, let us discuss the uses of basic prepositions. I will teach you through a graphical representation and a chart. I have taken 4 basic prepositions at, in, on and by. At, in, on, by. यदि आप इस ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन से इन 4 बेसिक प्रीपोजिशंस के यूज को अच्छे से देख लेंगे, समझ लेंगे, तो आई गारंटी आप जीवन में कभी इस चीज़ को भूल नहीं पाएंगे और कभी भी इन बेसिक प्रीपोजिशंस से रिलेटेड कोई भी क्वेश्चन आपका गलत नहीं होगा. 4 बेसिक प्रीपोजिशंस एट, इन, on and by are used frequently in English language, in daily uses of English language. Now, have a glance at the graphical chart. There are three different partitions: transportation, location and time. In case of transportation, how do we use these 4 basic prepositions? In case of location, how do we use these 4 basic prepositions? And in case of time, how do we use? ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, लोकेशन और टाइम के केस में हम इन चारों प्रीपोजिशंस का किस प्रकार से यूज़ करते हैं, आइए हम देखते हैं इस ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन के माध्यम से. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमारे पास एट. इन केस ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन व्हीकल्स, एट इज नेवर यूज्ड. Let us take example of in. In is used for small vehicles, for small size vehicles, for personal vehicles like car, jeep, taxi. Car, jeep are purely personal vehicles. Taxi is also a personal vehicle because we pay for it. And after paying for a taxi, it becomes our personal vehicle for that particular trip. कार, जीप, टैक्सी, इस तरीके के अगर हम पर्सनल व्हीकल्स में सफ़र कर रहे हैं तो एट दैट टाइम आई विल यूज़ इन. वेयर आर यू? आई एम इन माई कार. वेयर आर यू? आई एम इन ए टैक्सी. आई एम इन माई जीप. लाइक दिस. When the vehicles are of large size, big vehicles, we use on for big vehicles. These vehicles are not personal, not private. They are public vehicles. For example, bus, train, plane. Nobody has his own train. Have you? I think no. Nobody has his own plane except a few millionaires in the world. These are public vehicles. These are of large size. People are sitting in the rows on different types of seats, and there is a gallery between 2 seats. This is known as public vehicles, big sized vehicles, and we use for them on. I am on a train. I am on the bus. I am on the plane presently. When you are on these public vehicles, you will use on for large vehicles, in for small vehicles. One more thing is there. There are some two-wheelers. For example, bicycle, scooter, bike. They are not covered. That's why we will not use in for them. We will use on for them. I am riding on my bike. I am riding on my scooter. I am riding on my bicycle. We'll use on because it is an open vehicle and we sit on the seat of our two-wheeler. We will use on for this. And the next is by. By is used with all the vehicles. Either they are small or they are big. Either they are private or they are public. But when the journey has not been started or when the journey is completed. For example, आप कहीं गए, अगले के घर पहुंचे और फिर कोई आपसे पूछता है हाउ डिड यू गेट देयर, हाउ डिड यू गेट हियर, आप यहाँ कैसे आए? तो अगर हम बस से आए तो वी कैन से आई केम हियर बाय बस, आई केम हियर बाय ट्रेन, आई केम हियर बाय प्लेन, बिकॉज एट दैट टाइम you are not on the bus, you are not on the train, you are not on the plane. If you go there by a car, then say I came here by my personal car, I came here by my taxi. Then we will not use in with them. So this is about the transportation, and with vehicles we shall use in, on, by. I think इन, ऑन और बाय को लेके ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में कहाँ हम इन यूज़ करेंगे, कहाँ ऑन यूज़ करेंगे और कहाँ पर हम बाय यूज़ करेंगे, आपको स्पष्ट हो गया होगा। जब हम एक एक्सरसाइज करेंगे इट विल बी वेरी मच क्लियर टू यू। नेक्स्ट इज लोकेशन। लोकेशन का मतलब है स्थिति, कहाँ पर। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, प्रेजेंटली आई एम एट आई ट्यूटर, दिस इज अ स्पेसिफिक पॉइंट, this is a specific point. For example, where are you? Somebody asks you and you are at your home, then you will say I am at my home. Is your father at home? Yes, my father is at home. Is your mother at home? No, my mother is not at home now. If the address and the number is given, your house number is given, your flat number is given there of the location, then always use at. Where do you live? I live at 32 sector 13. But if there is name of a village, name of a town, then use at. I live at Keru. I live at Bhiwani. But if there is a colony in Bhiwani, then you'll use I live at Vijaynagar in Bhiwani. I live at Lakshmi Nagar in Delhi. Or there are, if the metro city is there, for all the cities we use in, but for all the towns, small villages, we use at. For example, if you are standing at Hansi Gate, Hansi Gate is a specific place in Bhiwani, then you can say I am waiting for you at Hansi Gate. Now let us take example of in case of location. If something is there, if there is a box covered by boundaries and the marker is in this box, then we shall use where is the marker? Marker is in this box. If some coins are there in my pocket, then क्या कहेंगे आप? Where are the coins? Coins are in my pocket because they are covered by boundaries. If something is inside it, then we'll use in. तो हम इन का यूज करेंगे, इसके लिए हम इन का यूज करेंगे। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वेयर इज इंक पॉट? इंक पॉट इज इन दिस बॉक्स, इट इज कवर्ड बाय बाउंड्रीज एंड वी कांट सी दिस बोटल, वेयर इज इट? इट इज इन दिस बॉक्स। बट इन केस ऑफ ऑन, वेयर इज डस्टर? Where is duster? This is, try to understand this, this is a floor. This is a floor. We can see everything put on it. For example, where is the duster? The duster is on the book. The duster is on the book. Where is the marker? The marker is on the duster. Both the surfaces of duster and the book are in touch with each other. Surface of this marker and this duster are in touch with each other. We'll use on in such cases. This is a surface and something is put on this surface, then we will use on for this. For example, I am in the classroom because classroom has walls and I am surrounded by these walls. Nobody can see me here, but this is a surface. This is the floor of this room and I am standing on the floor. I am in the room but on the floor. The next is by. In case of location, we use by for closeness, nearness. Where are we? For example, this is my house, this is a temple. Where is your house? If somebody asks me, where is your house? My house is by the temple, or the temple is by my house. They are close to each other. They are very close to each other. They are very near to each other. So in case of location, we use by. And next is time. In case of time, where do we use at? At is used to denote a time. If time is given in hours or minutes, for example, when does your school begin? My school begins at 8 a.m. At 8 a.m. Time is given. When does your school close? My school closes at 2:30 p.m. My school closes at 2:30 p.m. In case of night, dawn, we use at because this is a specific time. At night, I work at night. Dawn, I go to park at dawn daily. We use at with these specific timings. The next is in. Where do we use in? We use in case of time before months, years. For example, 23. In case of you, when did India get independence? India got freedom in 1947. But if date is given, then India got freedom on 15th of August 1947. Try to understand, before months and years we use in. But before a day or date, every word having day. कोई भी ऐसा शब्द जिसमें डे हो उससे पहले हम ऑन का यूज करेंगे. किसी भी डेट से पहले हम ऑन का यूज करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इंडिया गॉट फ्रीडम on 15th of August 1947. This is date. Day. My examination is on Monday, is on Tuesday. My interview for job is on Sunday. Like this. Some other words except the 7 days of week also have day in them. For example, holiday. I go to park on holiday. Birthday. I wish you the best wishes on your birthday. I will come to visit you on your birthday. Day is there in this word. So जितने भी शब्द हमारे डे या डेट से रिलेटेड हैं उनसे पहले हम ऑन का यूज करेंगे. अब हम बात करते हैं बाय. इन केस ऑफ टाइम, अगर आप किसी काम को किसी एक समय अवधि तक, किसी एक गिवन टाइम तक समाप्त करने के लिए कहते हैं तो यू विल यूज बाय. आई विल कम देयर, आई विल रीच देयर बाय संडे. संडे तक मैं वहाँ पहुँच जाऊँगा. आई विल कंप्लीट दिस लेसन बाय 8 PM. मैं ये वाला लेसन 8 बजे तक कंप्लीट कर चुका हूँगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, फॉर टू डिनोट end of the time we use by. This is all about these 4 basic prepositions: at, in, on, by. And I have given a graphical representation of all these 4 basic prepositions in case of transportation, location and time. Now we are going to use these prepositions in an exercise. I will give you an exercise to use these prepositions. Thank you.